Good day, Ma'am Stephanie B. Lumongo. I am Clarice Caballero from BSSW1A.
I live here in Central Highway, Lapasan, Cagayan de Oro City. For this video on environmental awareness, observing and solving problems in my zone area, I choose to focus on problem of poor drainage system in our area. I picked this issue because it often causes flooding, unpleasant odors, and effects of the cleanliness and safety of our community. The environmental problem I observe in Highway Lapasan is the poor drainage system. When it rains, the water from the drainage overflows onto the highway, causing flooding and making it difficult for many businesses to operate. The roads become slippery and unsafe for vehicles and pedestrians. Many residents and students also suffer, especially when going home, because flooding causes heavy traffic and long delays. This problem has been happening for a long time. One major reason is the drainage was built small and shallow, so it cannot handle large amounts of water. Aside from that, the drainage is clogged with garbage and debris, which blocks the water flow and causes the water level to rise quickly during heavy rain. When people throw trash into canals or leave litter on the streets, it gets washed down and worsens the problem. Aside from inconvenience, this also brings serious health risks. The dirty and stagnant water become a breeding place of rats, which can spread leptospirosis through their urine. People walk through contaminated water at the risk of infection, which can lead to serious illnesses. This situation shows how improper waste management, disposal, lack of maintenance, and poor drainage design can greatly affect not only the environment but also the health and safety for the whole community. To help solve the problem of poor drainage in Highway Lapasan, the government should implement stricter policies on garbage disposal. People who throw trash in canals or streets should face proper penalties. This will teach residents to be more disciplined and responsible with their waste. Next, the barangay can organize regular cleanup drives near the drainage areas. When residents, students, and local businesses work together to clean their surroundings, it helps prevent blockage and flooding. Lastly, there should be information campaigns to educate people about effects of improper waste disposal, including health risks like leptospirosis from rats. Awareness can inspire more people to take action and keep the environment clean. If everyone cooperates, the community, the barangay, and the local government, we can maintain a clean drainage system, prevent flooding, and protect our health and environment. After doing this activity, I realized how important it is to be aware of what's happening in our own community. I saw that a small problem like a clog and shallow drainage can affect many people. It can cause flooding, traffic, and even sickness like leptospirosis. This experience taught me that taking care of the environment should start with us. If we throw our garbage properly and join activities, we can help make our place cleaner and safer. Let us do our part, no matter how small, because a clean environment means a healthy and happy community for everyone. By throwing our garbage properly and helping keep our surroundings clean, we can make all big difference. Let's work together to make Highway Lapasan a cleaner, safer, and better place to live in. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to take care for our environment every day. Once again, my name is Clarice Caballero from Highway Lapasan, Cagayan de Oro City.